Hello there, how are you? Welcome to my channel. This is Farm City Restaurant located at Admiralty Way, Lekki, Lagos. I do not own the rights to these pictures. This place is a really cool spot, as you guys will find out later in this video why. I love places that have nice view and nice customer service. When you walk in, this is what the restaurant looks like. I didn't get to capture this part on my camera, hence why I'm showing you with images. And this is where we decided to sit. Like I said, I really didn't get much on my camera, but I just had to show you guys this place. The aesthetics of this place is beautiful, actually cool, and attention to detailing is nice as well. This is what the menu looks like. The food is really affordable and the portion is quite massive for me though. So from where I was sitting, this was my view. This is what it looks like. You can sit here and just watch boats pass. It's just really cool. From over here again, you could stare at the water. I could stare at this water all day because I love looking at waters. From here you can see the Korean Link Bridge, and like I said earlier, you can just watch boats pass, and if you look well enough you'll see boats carrying passengers. I'm just going to let you guys enjoy. And then the food came. I wasn't expecting it to be prepared like this. I'd say I was really disappointed, but I tried. This was what I could take. We've come to the end of another fun video and very short video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do subscribe and check out my previous videos. I would really appreciate it. I spend money and time making these videos, so I would really appreciate your support. Thank you very much.